Hey guys, this is Jesse with PermoFit. It's been a while. Wanted to give you a plant update. I had to do some changing around and repotting of a couple of plants. I just kind of wanted to show you what's going on. So, over here I have my light on a timer, and I have a couple of different plants I'm trying to grow. So, I'll start off with the top here. And these guys are looking kind of sad because I neglected them for a bit. But I planted an extra seed, and I'm going to try to convince them to not die. So this is a Mexican sour gherkin. It's like a little watermelon version of a pickle. This guy here is licorice basil. It's actually not doing too bad. I just transplanted these guys out of a little high humidity grow container, which was, I think it was right here in the last video I showed you. So they're going to dry out a little bit and kind of go into shock. And this guy, this sad wilting guy here, is a little mini pickling gherkin, cucumber. So this awesome guy over here is, I got it from 9 Green Box, I think, on Amazon. That's not a sponsorship or anything, but this is a cold hardy, I got rid of the label. It's a cold hardy kiwi. So this is the female plant, this is the male plant. You have to have both of them. And this guy is growing. It just started off as, I don't know, you can kind of see here, it's got just these little buds. It was just basically a stick. It had like a little bud just like that guy right there. And in literally just a couple weeks time, that guy has turned into that. It is growing another one down here, another one right there, another one right there. And the male, which looked like it was totally broken off a little twig, is growing 2 right there, and it's actually shooting up shoots. So they're doing pretty awesome in my book. And the little cold hardy kiwis actually are about the size of oversized grapes, which I didn't realize, and they're hairless. So when this guy gets really mature, I'm going to plant this outside because from everything I've read, it's cold hardy to about 20 below zero. I mean, everything, all the leaves drop off and everything, but it comes back. It's more like a tree or a bush. And this guy here is my vanilla. My other vanilla died. So I ordered another one, and I left it in the sphagnum moss, or whatever that stuff's called, and it didn't do so good. The leaves are starting to dry out. I have a hard time keeping the humidity up without watering it too much, and then it's rot off. And so anyways, so I repotted it in some crushed bark and a little bit of sphagnum moss, and then I put a little bit of water in the bottom. And this guy here is, it's actually really hot, well, as far as this goes. It's a lizard heater accessory for heating terrariums for reptiles. And what I'm doing is, I'm wrapping it around the bottom here and trying to get the water, which some has already evaporated, to be warm enough to evaporate to increase the humidity, because these aerial roots, which are, well, this guy here was a dried aerial root. I guess these guys grow out of the tip, and when the tip gets damaged, it'll put out another tip somewhere. So I have 2 healthy leaves on here, a kind of healthy leaf, and a couple of dried up leaves. And these guys here were aerial roots. So I'm going to see how it does. Alright, thanks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll bring you another update on some plants. Oh, by the way, I took my 2 mint and moved them into the shop, and I'm going to see how they do there. I'll bring you another video on that probably tomorrow. I don't know when I'll get it uploaded, though. Thanks, guys.